Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. Today I am very excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys something so different, something that I tried the other day and I was pretty surprised. This quarantine period has me learning things that I never even thought I would try out. So today I'm going to be doing this eye makeup look that I did the other day, and yeah, like I said, I was pretty impressed and surprised at the same time. I hope that you guys will enjoy the video. I'm probably just going to do the eyes and then do the rest of my face off camera because, like I said, it might take a while and I don't want this video to be very long. So yeah, let's begin. I'm going to be trying out this hack that I learned the other day of using lip products on your eyes. But what you need to know before you try this hack is that lip products are meant to be for the lips, so they're hydrating. So don't use something that is not mattifying. Matte lip products, specifically matte lipsticks, are best when you're trying to use the lip products on your eyes. Yeah, so today I'm going to be trying out that hack. I'm going to be using this red lipstick as a liner, and then I'm going to use my usual eyeshadow. The reason I'm doing this is because I don't have any eyeshadow that is a good red. I don't even have red eyeliner. I think there's that as well, but I don't have that. So I'm going to be trying out this particular hack using my red lipstick. So let's just begin. I'm going to start with priming my eyes as always with my NYX primer. I'm just going to put the product on the screen for you guys, and I'm also going to be listing everything I'm going to use in the description box. Once that is done, I'm going to be going in with my red lipstick. I'm going to use this particular brush. It's used for eyeliner products, so I feel like I'll be able to achieve whatever I'm trying to achieve, which is a red winged liner. So let me just try that. I prefer to use the product at the back of my hand because the wand is a bit tricky. So I'm just going to take some product like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go above my hood. Now, if you don't know what a hood is, I came to the realization that I have hooded eyes. What that means is that I don't have that much lid space. So if I draw it inside here and then I open my eyes, then nothing can be seen. So I have to go just right above it a bit. Around here is where I'm going to draw it. So let me just do that. So I'm just going to take my concealer brush and I'm going to try and make it a bit sharp. Once that is done, I'm just going to go right on ahead and work on the rest of my eye. I'm going to take my Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan and I'm going to use it as a base for the rest of my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it like I'm doing as I also try to perfect this particular winged eye. I'm really happy with my winged liner at this point, so I'm now just going to use my Burgundy bar and I'm going to take this shade right here, this dark brown color, and it normally has this purple undertone, so that's exactly what I want for this particular look. So I'm just going to put it on the rest of the eye like I'm doing. And what I'm going to do for this particular look, I'm going to pack on the product just as I'm doing, because I want it to be quite dark. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with my concealer once again. This is still in the shade Cool Tan, because I want to add some shimmer to this front part, and because I want it to really pop. So this is the best way to make it pop. I'm now going to take this particular silvery shade right here with my flat brush, and I'm going to apply to this inner part just as I'm doing it, making sure that I pack on the product. Now that that's done, I'm just going to take this brush that I was using with the brown shade, and I'm going to try and blend that in just as I'm doing. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with eyeliner. I have no idea where I got this eyeliner from, but it's definitely not the best. I probably just bought it at a store in town. I need a better eyeliner, but just for this video I'm going to use it. I hope it will not backfire on me, because it does this a lot of times. But yeah, for this video I just wanted to show you how I like to do my eyeliner. So like I said, my eyes are hooded, so I can't really do a very thick liner. So what I like to do is I like to come really close to the waterline like I'm doing, making it as thin as possible with very slight strokes. So I had to finish the rest of my eye off camera because this eyeliner, like I said, was trying to play me, but I think I was able to work with it regardless. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to work on the other eye on camera, but I'm probably going to do it a bit more faster because yeah, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible. Like I had said, I'm just going to go work on the rest of my face and then I'll show you the completed look. So guys, this is the final look. Well, not the final look. I'm done with the eyes. I just need to put on the lashes. I was pretty sure that I was recording the second eye, but I just don't know what happened. I just checked and I don't even have any footage. I don't know why that happened, but I think the first eye was pretty decent. Like the footage was pretty decent and it's easy to follow. So let me just go and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll just come back on here and show you the final look, as I also do my hair because these twist outs have been on my head for a while now. I'm now back. This is the final look. I'm pretty impressed with what we have here. It's probably not the most perfect look, but for a start I think I'm onto something. My hair is looking amazing as well, you guys. Okay, but yes, this is the final look. This look is making me just want to have a little photo shoot in my room, and that's probably what I'm going to be doing. My eyelash is popping a bit because I don't even know if I did it the right way. This is my struggle all the time. I'm sorry that the video was not more in depth. I was having some trouble with shooting, but I really love the look and I'll probably practice more and do more creative videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.